Hello to everyone, myself Habibur Rahman, Assistant Professor of Business Administration, Islamic College Autonomous, Wanembadi. Guys, let me highlight very important topic from our subject, Human Resource Management, that is role of HR manager. Being a HR manager, what are the roles are there? Okay guys, here very important rules are displayed. Point number one is the counselor. Point number two, the advisor. Point number three, the problem solver. Point number four, the mediator. Point number five, liaison role. Point number six, legal role. Point number seven, the change agent. Point number eight, the welfare role. So being a HR manager, you has to play so many roles. Okay guys, let's me discuss about the point number one, counselor. The HR manager acts as a counselor and provides counseling to employees. Employees discuss problems relating to health, emotion, finance, work, family, etc. with the HR manager. He guides them to find suitable solution. Yes, guys, the HR manager has to play the counselor role. He has to counsel, he has to do counseling to the employees of the organization with respect to employees' health, emotions, finance, work, family, etc. He has to tell the employees how to control the emotions. He has to tell the employees about the financial management. He has to tell the employees about the work life balance. He has to tell the employees how to live a satisfied role in the organization. So guys, HR manager has to play a counselor role. He has to do proper counseling to the employees of the organization. Point number two speaks about the advisor. The HR manager advises the management on human resource planning, recruitment, selection, training, performance appraisal, etc. Yes, guys, he has to advise the top level management of the organization to do HR planning. HR planning refers to whatever the employees are there, whether they are surplus in the department or in the organization, or shortage in the department in the organization. There should not be any surplus or shortage employees. There should be right employees for the right job. There should be n number of employees in the organization for doing the task. Next, recruitment. He has to tell the organization or top level management the recruitment process. He has to tell the organization about the selection process. He has to tell the organization what kind of training should be given to the employees of the organization, whether it is on the job training or off the job training. He has to tell the organization about the performance appraisal, how to appraise, how to increase the salaries of the employees based on the performance. Okay, fine, guys. Let's speak about point number three, the problem solver. Organization face many problems which are complex in nature. The HR manager has to find solutions to the problem of the organization. As guys, being a HR manager, you has to play the role of a problem solver. Whenever there is a problem with respect to employees of the organizations or human resources of the organizations, being a HR manager, your duty is to monitor and to solve the problems whichever arised in the organization. So being a HR manager, you need to play the problem solver role too. Next, the mediator. The HR manager acts as a link between management and workers. He conveys the problems of workers to management. He also conveys the information of management to workers. Yes, guys, HR manager plays middle role, broker role between top level management to low level management. Whatever top level management says, he has to give the same instructions to the employees of the organization. Whatever the low level management workers says about their salary, holidays, leaves, etc., bonus, we can say, etc. And he has to collect the information from workers, and he has to give workers information to top level management. From it, we comes to know that a manager, that is HR manager, has to play mediator role between management and employees of the organization. Point number five is liaison role. The HR manager acts as the representative and the spokesman person of the organization. He interacts with various government authorities and represents the firm. Yes, guys, he has to play a communicator role. He has to play a representative role. If any outsiders comes to the organization, he has to receive He has to welcome the outsider or chief guest of the organization. Whatever it may be, HR manager has to play a representative or spokesman role in the organization. Point number 6 speaks about the legal role. The HR manager should ensure that government rules and regulations relating to HR are followed. Yes, guys, he has to focus on whether the rules and regulations are followed by the organization with respect to labor laws, international labor organization, or whatever it may be, whether the company is following proper HR rules or not, he has to monitor. So, being a HR manager, you should be very much confident and perfect with respect to government rules and regulations. So only we say that it is a legal role which has to be played by the HR manager. Next one is the change agent. The HR manager improves the firm's capacity to change. He communicates the need for change and overcomes resistance to change. Except the word change, everything change, guys. So, being a HR manager, you always adopt changes, you always try to be flexible in nature, you always try to change the organizational employees training and development process, employees perception process, employees motivation process, employees leadership process, etc. Then only the organization may attain the objectives. Next, point number 8 speaks about the welfare role. Welfare facilities improve the physical, economic, intellectual, and moral well being of workers. The HR manager focuses his attention in providing and improving welfare facilities for employees. He takes steps to provide facilities more than what is mandatory. Yes, guys, he has to play a welfare role. He has to make sure that the employees of the organization getting financial and non-financial benefits properly. Yes, guys, next point is leadership skill. The HR manager should have leadership skills such as employee motivation, guiding the employees, and directing the employees of the organization. He should be able to direct employees towards achievement of organizational goals. Yes, guys, being a HR manager, you have to play a leadership role also. You have to motivate the employees of the organization, you have to guide the employees of the organization, you have to direct the employees of the organization towards achievement of organizational goals. Yes, guys, point number 10 speaks about decision making skills. The HR manager should have decision making skills. He should be able to find solutions to the problems and select the best alternative to solve the problems of the organization. Yes, guys, being a HR manager, you should always have decision making skills. You need to take so many decisions, so many steps towards the success of the organization, irrespective of the problems. Guys, problems must be there, but making the solutions for the problem is very, very important role of HR manager. So, guys, these are the very important role of HR manager. Next thing we'll discuss in next video class. Thank you. Wish you all the best.